Hi guys, Thomas from Sinatra here from Western Fishing at ICAST 2017 together with Tackle Warehouse. I'm here to show you a series of the swim baits currently available at Tackle Warehouse. One product is the Hypotease ST, super realistic design, actually a 3D scan of a smelt. Comes in two different sizes, 6-inch and a 10-inch size here. Has a big paddle, gives you nice tight erratic action. Got fins on that will move in the water as well. Some of my two favorite colors is the smelt and the smalt color here. Another bait available currently at Tackle Warehouse is Ricky the Roach, a 3D scan of a roach. Super tight erratic action, very nice to fish. You need to fish it with a bit of speed. Available at Tackle Warehouse. So another bait available at Tackle Warehouse is the Shad Tease. This is one of our best-selling products. Has a wide belly that will give you a super action. Nice belly flash on it, big tail. Comes in 5 different sizes. So some of my favorite colors is the Lively Roach, the Headlight, and the Bass Orange. The last bait I want to show you here is the Hypotease. Again, 3.5-inch and a 5-inch version. It's a little different from the other Hypotease I showed you before. Has a more slim profile, got fins on as well, but it has a more swimming action than the other one. So all these swim baits currently available at tacklewarehouse.com.